Welcome to Hello everyone. Welcome to GPT Lab Studio. I'm Carrie.
Hello everyone, I'm Nick.
Today we will show you one after installed car to you. I can't recognize it. I think it should be a mixed style, right?
Yes.
For the grille and the bumper lips.
Yes, it's all not the original. It's all new style. And
So first the
this bumper lips. Yes, bumper lips is wood style.
What style with the LED lights, right?
Yes, also its bumper is 26-year style.
Wait.
Yes. First we upgraded this car to 2016 years.
So 2016,
Yes.
and then to install these bumper lips.
Yes. For this 26-year-old, we changed the hood, fender, grille, headlight,
Headlights.
and front bumper, fog lamp, and for the rear side, we changed the rear bumper and rear lamp.
So these bumper lips can install with the upgrade kit, right?
Yeah, yes.
Also can install in one new car.
Yes, for new car, okay.
2016 to 2021.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And for the grille, I think it should be a new style.
Yeah, this is the newest one.
Latest one.
Yes.
2021.
2021,
right?
and
years.
we paint this chrome. Usually this is chrome.
Not the chrome.
Yes.
Just the black.
We painted the high gloss black.
Black
on
color.
It. Yes.
And for the headlight, I never see it before.
Yes. This looks like a Lexus 570.
Oh yeah, it's a Lexus 570 style.
Yes, it have 3 lanes, and this three. Also inside the headlight, you can see the chrome, square of chrome. 3, 1, 2, 3. Also
with one turning light signals.
Yes, and also this side, this DRL can run. This is running light. This can move, LED.
So we also paint it with the black color, right?
Yes.
Usually it should be the chrome.
Yes.
Like here.
And this we can see the original one.
Oh yeah, this is the headlights that we usually sell it.
Yes, you can see it's different. It's different with this one.
Totally different, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now let's show them the highlights, how it on.
Yes, we will light it on.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Nick from GPT. Today I will show you our new car center console for Land Cruiser. And this center console includes this monitor and air conditioning, and this dual control. For this side you can see we have some button. This is for air conditioning, and this temp control. And this is the air condition for the electric seat, and this to control the gear, and this also this side have a storage, can put something like some water or your car key. And for the seat, you can see it's also different with the original one. This seat we also can offer. And for this steering, we also can offer our design. And now you can see this monitor. This have many functions. Like this. This is will show your speed when you're driving, and this is show the time. This is if you play some music, you can see this side. You can play and stop, and also this can record your voice to press on this. You can see it. Also this FM radio, and it's Bluetooth can connect your phone, and this can choose some app like Bluetooth radio and guide, many functions. This is setting, voice for music setting. This controls the voice up and down, the back. Yeah.